Okay, so my first question is to you. Since we know that you've been born and brought up in the hills and you've been very close to nature, and you also belong to a very hectic industry.
Yeah.
So how does it feel to be out here in the open and to take a break from the city bustle?
So I would like to tell you that today was very, very special for us, I would say, and I can probably speak on behalf of everybody who's present here.
Definitely.
We release songs and we do promotions and we do everything around it and everything is fine. But this was special because we kind of got to leave our the workplace and kind of step out to somewhere like this. Let me tell you, this is a beautiful place. When I reached here, I was like, I should definitely stay a night here. But now I'm planning to kind of come back here for a longer period of time.
That would be
I did
great.
not expect
And he's taking me as well.
and she's gonna come with me. We're gonna come with our entire entourage, and we're gonna party here. And then Moonshine and the Moonstone people are gonna be like, "Hey, why don't you guys get out of here now? You guys are too noisy."
We would love to host you
He's like,
again.
please go away now.
Thank you. Yeah, so it is special that we are doing this, and everybody who's present here should know that this is special. This doesn't usually happen in our line of work, that we kind of step out and be here like that. There's so much vulnerability and beauty here.
So you've also given us such super hits to the music industry. So what is your take on the latest song?
Uh, the latest song that we did is doing really well. Me and Yohani, we created this song called Manike, which is literally topping the charts right now. And Tu Samne has gotten a great reception already, how it released and everything. So I think we are golden. We are looking good. I think we have a great year coming. 2023 is going to be even bigger.
Fingers crossed.
That's it. Now I would like to ask you a few questions. So how are you liking Bombay? How is the vibe here?
Amazing. I love the fact that it's chaotic and everyone's up, everyone's doing so many things, everyone's just hustling, and people don't sleep here. I love it.
Yeah,
Uh,
Bombay never sleeps.
Never
It's
sleeps.
a city of dreams.
It's a nice place to be for new opportunities.
Definitely. So now that you are one of the sensational hits, so how has the journey been from being a YouTuber to now being globally recognized?
It has been a very long journey,
Overwhelming?
overwhelming, and the past couple of years has been very fast. And like I said, a lot of changes happening in my life from moving to here, plus trying to do the music that I was doing back in Sri Lanka, continuing that while trying new stuff. So there's a lot of things happening, but I'm excited.
That's nice. What do you have to say about the place and the vibes here?
This place is amazing. Like Jubin said, we are going to come back here again. I would have stayed, but I'm going to Bangalore tomorrow. So we'll come here again, spend the day with our teams.
I think we need a few days here.
Yeah,
We need to go air rifle shooting, we need to go kayaking,
I did a little bit of those.
we need to go swimming,
Yeah.
and we need to go some nice jungle trail walking.
Definitely.
That was amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.